How to set up Google Authenticator for two-factor authentication. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and type Google Authenticator. Now once you type, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on Google Authenticator and click on Install. Now wait for some time and click on Open. Now tap on Get Started. Now select your Google account. Tap on Continue. Now tap on the plus icon or add a code to create a new code. Now from there you can scan a QR code or enter the setup key. Select any of them. Now enter your setup key and click on Add. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.